starting in 30 seconds. Thank you for being here. Look forward to working with you. Good to see you from India. It's fantastic to have you here. Starting off with a 30-second jump rope. We'll then go right into a double kettlebell deadlift, power deadlift. Grab that jump rope. If you don't have a jump rope, simply jump in place. Here we go. Thirty seconds of jump, 30 seconds of strength, 30 seconds rest. Going through this 4 complete cycles. All right, guys, again, here we are. Powerful and fast reps. Starting from the floor, bells to the side. You also go outside your feet. Great job. That's one time through. Next up will be the clean. Next up will be the clean. Again, the goal isn't so much to move heavy weight today, but it's to move through those reps with quick speed. Quick speed, low fatigue. Again, thank you for being here. Blako, great to see you, my friend. Great to see you. All right, guys, taking off in 5 seconds. We'll then go right into a double clean, power clean. Here we go. "30 seconds of jump rope, then 30 seconds of two-handed power cleans. Just using 20 kgs today, or a 44-pound balance. Less than 10 seconds, right to the strength. Great job. Okay, so we're going right to the power cleans. 30 seconds. Lead with those hips. Elbows in tight. 10 seconds. Great job. Up next, we're doing power swings. Power swings. Again, thank you for being here. Thank you for your engagement. Great to see you all. From Saudi, I love it. Can't see everybody's names, but it's great to have you. All right, guys, here we go. 30 seconds of jump rope. Again, if you don't have a jump rope, simply jump in place. The goal is to keep moving, elevate heart rate response, keep fatigue low. And yes, tons of different ways we can modify this to make it easier or harder. I was contemplating making this a continuous 30-minute effort. Perhaps the next evolution. Here we go, swings. Five seconds. Good work. Good work. Coming up high rows. Get ready to fight is right. Get ready to fight is right. All right, guys, next up will be a high row. Next up is a high row. Welcome to TuskerStrong. If you're new to the channel, have never heard of me, back Back to the jump rope. I'm a 51-year-old dad, father, who likes to stay strong and able. I want to help others do the same. Also a firm believer that we can turn the clock back. Let's keep working hard and smarter. Happy July 7th. Thank you for being with me. A little off schedule with the summer here. All right, so high row. Lock out those hips before those bells get up there. Less than 10. Great job. Great job. Keon, thank you. Thank you for that kind gesture. Very kind gesture. Coming up next is snatch. Coming up is snatch. Again, adjust load. Adjust load as needed. 30 seconds, come on. Ideally, it's the same rep count every time you're on this jump rope. In the ideal world, fatigue will set in back. 15 seconds, we're then going into a power snatch, double, less than 10. Here we go. Great job. Great job. And thank you all for being with me. It's nice to be working with you during these summer months. The month of July is a weird one for me. Got a lot of Mondays off. Usually I do this at 5:30 in the morning, CST. Stay steady. Breathe. Up next, deadlifts. Keep moving. Keep breathing. Keep engaging. 10 seconds. Deadlifts. Bells outside of your legs. Stand tall. Shoulders back. Here we go. Great job, guys and girls. Thanks for the comments, folks. Working hard, hardly time to read, but right now, Mr. Hill, I'm just using 44s, 20 kgs, lighter load, focusing on faster speed, all from a power position. Here we go. 30 seconds of jumping, 30 seconds of strength, using those 5 pillars of kettlebell movement: deads, cleans, swings, leans, high rows, and snatches. Back to the strength, cleans coming up. I'll try to answer questions as we go. All right, guys, here we go. Power cleans. Power cleans. Let's rock and roll. Keep it close. Lock out those hips before those bells. Get to that rack position. Great job. Great job. Hello to everyone. I appreciate you being with me. And again, these are a 44-pounder, 20 kg double. The audio's messed up. Can you hear it at all? Damn, you're not hearing it? If you cannot hear it, let me know. I'll try to fix it. Got it right here. Sorry about that, I really am. Please confirm that you can hear me though. I have it right, literally almost next to my face. Okay guys, here we go. Again, if someone would just confirm that you can hear me, that'd be a huge help. Really have this hat on for that one reason. All right guys, here we go, swings. Damn it. Can you hear me at all? That's the question. All right, swings. Try to fix it in 5. See if I can fix it. Sorry, hold on. All right, let me know if that's better. Let me know if that's better, I really appreciate it. Let me know if that's better. If you have a second, I'm off a little bit, but that's all right, here we go. Just yes or no, it's better or not. Stay in the fight. Follow me regardless. High rows. Coming up next, guys, is the snatch. Apologize for that. It sucks. It was working earlier. I don't know what happened. Okay, guys, coming up next is the snatch. I'm gonna have to get a new speaker. Here we go. Okay guys, snatch. I'm gonna turn the fan off, see if that helps. One more. I'll turn the fan off. All right, guys, I turned the fan off. Deadlifts, guys. Let me know if that changed anything. Definitely not a CrossFit guy. Yeah, I just messed it up, guys. My bad, I just did it backwards. Thrown off a bit, here we go. My bad. Tell you what, guys, technology is throwing me off. Whew. Sorry about that. Let's see. All right. All right, guys, again, thank you for your work. Thank you for your grace. Thank you for your patience. Going after the cleans, guys. Going after the cleans. We're going through this 4 complete rounds. So far, we're going through 2 full rounds. Let's go after the jump rope. Here we go. Those of you who are new to the channel, I alternate Mondays as a heavy swing day with a circuit approach. Today it just so happens this is our circuit focus using a power starting position. I'll take care of that audio next time through. Hopefully by now you know the flow. All right, guys, here we go, cleans. Yeah, no kipping CrossFit pull-ups for me, dog. No kipping CrossFit pulls, baby. All about strict pulls. Alright guys, here we go, swings. No CrossFit kipping for that. Again, 30 seconds of jump rope. Let me know on start, stop. Power swings. In less than 10 seconds. All right, guys, high rows coming up. High rows. Make sure to fully extend your hips before the weight is above in that high row position. Make sure that grip is there. And here it's a hot box, baby. Here we go. Up next, snatch. See 167. 167 on that heart rate. Super steady. All right, guys, snatch coming up. In 5 seconds, robots to the floor, power snatch. Here we go. One more. All right, guys, last time through. Last time through. All right, Gabe, real quick, brother. It's 44-pound bells, 20 kgs, keeping it light. The light is low, the load is light. I want fast hips, fast movements, low fatigue. All right, guys, last round through. These 5, come on, here we go. These 5 key exercises: dead, clean, swing, high row, snatch, all front power position. Stay steady, keep moving. Thanks for your patience. Not sure why the heck the audio isn't working today. Really spotting hasn't been the problem before. All right, deadlift, here we go. Side those legs, explosive, powerful. Those bells almost should levitate. Guys, next Monday, we will then do heavy swing, 22.0. 22.0. All right, just so you're on the same page with me. Then the following week, back to a circuit approach, similar to today. All right, guys, here we go. Cleans coming up. Again, this is the last time through. 30 total minutes, no fluff. Let's roll. I appreciate the fire I'm seeing from those who are with me today. Those of you who are still with me, I have created 2 great options for you that will certainly help. If you are not seeing improvement week after week, month after month, year after year, that's a problem to me. I have a 6-week training program that I would love to put in your hands. All right, guys, here we go. Cleans. Powerful through the hips. post this live, in the description, you will see that I have a freebie for both of all of you who want it, who are interested, a 6-week training calendar, as well as 7 key strategic tips I have used to age well at 51, feel more like I'm 20. I want that same thing for you. Again, I'll put that in the description after I post this, after I film this. Way to sweat, way to work, way to stay hungry. Assuming the volume is still not right, if anyone could confirm audio is still rude, I would appreciate that. Take a second, let me know. All right, guys, here we go, swings. Abel, thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate you telling me let me know that. Again, I think I answered your question about the weight of the bells, 20 kgs, 44 pounds. Guys, last 3 minutes in front of us. I will try to figure out what the hell's wrong with this audio. It was working before. All right, guys, high rope coming up after ropes. Here we go. If you are finding value in this content and you want more of it, please consider liking it. Help the algorithm get this out to more folks. Good mean and well tonight. Leaving a comment certainly helps also. Share my content. Share love, baby. And let's grow together. Okay, here we go. High row. Slowing down a little bit. You can feel them slowing down a little bit. Real quick. Lock out the hips. Then finish. Come on. Last rep. All right, guys, last minute and a half coming up. 14 seconds. 30 seconds of rope. 30 seconds of snatches. Feels like 120 in here. I always go in the sauna before I come in here. Yeah, it's 80 in here. 17 seconds in that sauna. I'm sorry, 17 minutes in that sauna gets you very warm. At 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 95 degrees Celsius. Every day, baby. That's on 265. All right, guys, last minute and a half. Stay as strong as you can. I'm gonna lean into it a little bit. Finish strong. All right, power snatches. Weight should be under you. Feel the weight above you. Lock out those hips. One more. Great work. Thank you. Each of you that stayed with me. Again, this TuskerStrong is all about helping you get stronger, more fierce than you've ever been before on just 30-minute workouts, upwards of 6 days per week. Those of you who have never worked out before, obviously I would not suggest 6 days per week. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your hard work. I will see you again soon. I always say, let's stay strong, let's stay TuskerStrong, and let's age well together. I'm out. Thanks for the love. I appreciate each of you. And I can't wait to see you at the next workout. Have a great Monday.